Hey guys, it's Jared with Tall Town Outdoors. I hope it ain't too windy for you. I hope you can hear me okay without any background noise. But if you're like the rest of us and you do saddle hunting, I've got a little piece of equipment that we actually started using over the last couple of weeks. And it's made from a guy that actually does kayak charters. And I'm gonna put his link in the video so you can go to these little pieces of equipment that we use that makes things a whole lot better when you're saddle hunting. Now, when you're saddle hunting, you're always looking for anything that you can do to make it easier and help you be more effective while you're out hunting. And we've always used the little S clips that you can pick up by Bright Eyes. The only problem with those is you lose them. I think I lost 4 last year walking into the woods. They just come off of my saddle. But these little clips that I'm going to show you are actually, he does these, he owns 16 different 3D printers. And through his kayak charters, he actually builds kayak equipment. So that's how he kind of got started in it. And we told him kind of what we wanted. Scott Sweeney actually told him, he said, man, I'm looking for something to go on to this. Take my saddle home with you. You've got this webbing sewn into it. See what you can come up with to help to do this. And what he came up with was pretty awesome. So let me get the camera turned around. I'm gonna actually show you what it is that he came up with. And again, guys, there's a link in the video. Go to the link, and if you decide you want some, go to it. Go buy them. He stands behind his product. He'll give it a lifetime warranty. So if it breaks, contact him. He'll take care of you, that's for sure. So give me just a minute. Let me get the camera turned around, and I'm going to show you these clips, and I'm going to show you how they actually work. So stand by. Alright guys, so like I said, these are some added accessories to your saddle hunting. For me, this is my 2nd year saddle hunting, and this has really made it a lot easier for me to be able to go up and down the tree with my equipment. I changed up several of my equipment this year from what I ran last year, but so far this has been the best piece. Now, I run the Cruiser XC saddle. Scott, the guy I work with, he runs the tethered Phantom saddle, and they work perfect on both of them, no problems. So guys, this right here is actually the clip, and like I said, he owns a 3D printer, so he makes a lot of his own stuff. And you can see how that thing actually clips on to the webbing of the saddle. And what you do, it actually goes through the bottom of it, actually has a lip on the bottom of it right here, to where it actually locks in place. So there's no way for this thing to actually come off of the saddle, none whatsoever. Now what you do is I've got 3 of them on mine. I've got 2 right here, 1 on my back side of my saddle, 1 on my right side of my saddle. The other one is hid right here behind my bag. As you can see it right there. That's where my other one is hid at. Now what you do with these is I'm gonna actually pull my sticks off. I actually changed up this year, and I went with the tethered 1 stick. Let me set this down. All right guys, so I'm gonna use my actual 1 stick. I went with tethered 1 stick this year. That's the name of it. It's called a 1 stick, but it's actually 3 sticks. So it ain't just, I don't do the 1 single and then rappel him down. I don't do that. But this is the stick, and what you do, take your little piece of rope and tie on the back side of it, just like this. You take that little rope that you got tied to the back of the step. You get it up here close to it. It's hard to do this one-handed, so excuse me. I'm trying to video and all too. So you get the rope put up into the opening, you pull it down, and it locks in place. Now what you can do is you can actually, as you climb it up the tree, it hangs on the side of the saddle. And when you get ready to pull it off, it just comes straight up off of it, so it doesn't sit there and stick to it. Now, like I said, I've got two of them. I got one on the right hand side, I've got one in the middle. So the one in the middle is actually for my platform. I changed my platform up this year too, guys, so I'm now using the tethered Predator. So you actually just hang your platform on the back of the saddle there, and then whenever you get up to the top of the tree where you're ready to go, just again pull the rope up, pull it off of the clip, hang it up on the tree. It's that simple. So guys, again, if you don't have a way of bringing your steps and bringing your platform up the tree, if you're using S hooks, if you're using something different, take a look at the link that I'm gonna tie into this video and go check them out. Maybe something that you want to invest in. They're not very much. I think they're under $20 for 4 of them, and he'll ship them straight to your house. So if you get a chance, guys, go on there and take a look at them and give them a try. I think you'll really like them. And again, like I said, I use them on the Cruiser XC saddle. Scott uses them on the tethered Phantom saddle. If you've got the 1-inch webbing sewn into your saddle, it'll work perfect. You won't have no issues. So guys, thank you for watching Tall Tyne Outdoors, and hopefully I got some more informational stuff. I want to do some videos on the tethered 1-stick. I've got the Generation 3s, and show you what I did different to my platform. I used a daisy chain instead of a strap, and it's really made a difference. So again, guys, thank y'all for watching Tall Tyne Outdoors. Y'all have a great week. God bless you.